Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find promo codes for Eventbrite. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to it. Alright, open up any web browser and then go to Google. And now in the Google search box here, type in promo codes for Eventbrite and then hit search. And now I'm inside the Google search results here, and you'll see a few third-party sites offering promo codes. So you got Coupon Follow, Simply Codes, keep scrolling down, Don't Pay Full, Real Time Me Not, etc. These are the big players in the promo code discount code industry. So you can check out any one of these sites, but one I like to use is called couponfollow.com. So to activate any one of these codes, simply get into the site and you can check out all their deals. As you can see here, you got a whole range of different deals. So you got Eventbrite coupons, 20% off all orders, take 10% off your order. You got take extra 20% off, get 5% off, etc. So to activate any one of these offers for demonstration, I'm going to click on the first one, get 20% off all orders. And now what you want to do is copy this code and then paste this code at the checkout section of Eventbrite to activate your 20% off your order.